Hello? Jerry? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. How are you, Karen?
I'm fine. Is there a reason that you called? You know, you're not supposed to call me.
Right. I don't want to take up too much of your time.
What do you want, Jerry?
Listen. I know I was a poor husband and father. I'm sorry about the damage that I caused the both of you. You deserved better.
Jerry, I really can't do this right now. I have to go.
Seth, can I talk to him? Please, Kara. Let me talk to him. He's my son. I have the right to speak with my own child.
Jerry, it's not up to me. Andrew doesn't want to talk to you. I have to go.
Just calm down. It's okay. Everything will be fine. You have to breathe. I can't. Just clear your head. It's okay. You know what's going on. Just pull yourself together. Why do you look just like me? That's because I am you. 10 years from now. Now I need to tell you something important. You don't have to talk, just listen. Can you do that? A few minutes from now, I started working on the time machine that we thought up back in college. I spent nearly every waking moment for the last 10 years perfecting it. I lost my family, my friends, and everything I cared for due to my obsessions. The only reason I kept working on it was because I hoped that I could fix it. Wait, this can't be real. This was just a fantasy I thought up when I was a kid. I know this is hard to comprehend, but that's the reason you came down here, isn't it? You've been thinking about it all day. Am I wrong? God. This is real. Wait, and if that's the case, why don't you just give me the blueprints? I can invent the time machine and keep my family. That would still rewrite the future that I came from. Meaning I will no longer exist, and neither will my blueprints. I never would have been around to make them. Wait, then that means if I don't do exactly what you did, then... That's correct. I will cease to exist. I love my family more than I can ever put into words. I wouldn't have come here if I were not prepared to die. It's almost like a big reset button.
Dad, you coming up for dinner?
I'm on my way, buddy.
What's gotten into you?
I've just realized how truly amazing you both are.